Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today we are doing a daily cleaning routine during the summertime. On this day, my son and I had the whole day together, all to ourselves, and it was absolutely beautiful. The weather was gorgeous. It was almost 90 degrees at the end of this day, and I couldn't have been any happier. It was also right on my birthday weekend, and you know, when it's your birthday weekend, it's just extra special, right? So that gift was from my husband and my son. It was really cute, just a few little things, like some of my favorite things, and my son yelled upstairs while I was trying to get ready, "There's a happy birthday, there's a happy birthday." He loves seeing birthday bags. He gets so excited, and just recognizing those things and knowing what that means has been so much fun to watch his development. So today we are just going to go through a quick morning cleaning routine so that we can go on and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. I'm starting off here in the dining room, just cleaning off some things on this table. We do have this Hobby Lobby bag here. I figured I'd just quickly show you some of the things that we picked up there. We picked up a whole bunch of learning books for preschoolers. My son needed another coloring book, so we got the Sonic one, and then these other books are all like learning books, and we got some white erase markers, dry erase markers, because some of those boards are that. This is one of those Crayola mess-free coloring. The markers only color on these pages, so it works out really well, especially for on the go. We got all of these things because we are going on a road trip in July, going to be a very long trip in the car, so we got him a bunch of things to keep him busy. And we also got off of Amazon this tray that we can put right on his car seat. It has like walls and everything so that none of his stuff will slip off of it, so he can do all these activities right in the car. So we were very excited when we went to Hobby Lobby and saw that they had all these types of things. We just had to pick some of them up. Every single day, I like to start off the day with just doing a quick tidy, especially since at night lately I have been so tired. I have not been doing a very good job of keeping up with the nightly cleaning routine. When I do, I don't have to do as much of this, but that's okay. As long as you do some kind of tidy once throughout the day, I think that's what's most important. Because you know, if you're anything like me, things just start to collect on the countertops, and it's very simple to just take a few minutes each day and put these things away so that all of your spaces are clutter-free and you can use them for dinner time, snack time. We can color here, play games here, whatever we have going on for the day. So I just take a few minutes each day. I've been doing it lately at the start of each day, just going through quickly, reorganizing, putting things away, and getting all the countertops and tables wiped down. I am going to clean out the sink. There's honestly not that much in here yet, so I'm just going to stay on top of it all this day since I knew we were going to be home together all day. So we had every single meal, a snack throughout the day, and I just wanted to make sure I stayed on top of it so that it didn't pile up. I know sometimes people leave it till the end of the day. I am just not like that. I need to have my sink cleaned out, cleared out, and put away after every single meal. It just makes me feel so much more organized, put together, and the house just instantly feels much cleaner. Also this day, the dishwasher wasn't that full, but we are completely out of forks. Sometimes that happens, like I open the silverware drawer and there's no forks left or there's no spoons left, so then I end up just running the dishwasher so that all that gets clean, even if it's not completely full. Since I let you know it is my birthday weekend, how old do you think I just turned? I don't think I've ever said my age on this channel. No particular reason why or why not. I don't think it's ever really come up, but I feel like that is something that people get very curious with, especially when, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell how old people are. And trust me, I am one of those people that are so bad at guessing how old people are. I never say the right age. So leave a comment down below letting me know how old you think I just turned on my birthday. I just picked up these shorts from Marshall's. They are those trending boxer shorts that I wasn't too sure I was going to like, but let me tell you, I love them. They are so comfortable, so cute. Definitely going to be a staple throughout the entire summer and going to be on repeat. I just need to pick up a few more tops to go with them, and yeah, I'm going to be living in them. So if you have a Marshall's near you, go run over there and pick up a pair. They had tons in stock, all different colors. They had a few different patterns. They are so comfortable and so perfect for summer. We finished in the kitchen, now moving into the living room. My son has been playing with these little dinosaurs. They go on his Crocs. They just stick right into the Crocs, and they're just really fun for him, and he is super into dinosaurs. And as you can hear, he's sitting right next to me because I'm trying to get this voiceover done. Now he's watching himself eat. He's eating one of those like packs that's supposed to be full of nutrients because he hasn't been eating very good because he's been a little under the weather. So he is just kind of snuggled up here waiting for me to quickly go through our morning routine so then we can go and play and try to do something fun, but he needs a few more breaks throughout his day. I did a quick tidy of the living room. Now I am vacuuming. I vacuum this rug every single day. It is always in need with my dog and my son. Always crumbs, hair, whatnot here on this rug, and they play here every single day too. My dog plays with her toys. My son is constantly here. He's really been playing a lot with his magnet tiles and cars. He loves those things right now. So this room is well utilized, especially on days that we are home all day. Now I'm upstairs in my room. I did clean my sheets early this morning and they have gone through the washer and the dryer. This all happened so quick, which I was honestly surprised about. So I am just right now getting the bed completely made so later on in the day I don't even have to worry about it. I did set myself a goal to have my morning tidy done by 10 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't even start it until a little after 9. So it took me 45 minutes, 30 minutes to complete everything that I had on my list. I always make it a doable, easy list that is manageable between distractions, because my son wants to talk to me or play with me or show me something, or he needs a snack. So I always just do my tidy around whatever he is doing and just put things away, wipe down countertops, vacuum, make sure the house is well cleaned up so that we can have as much fun as we can throughout these days. I knew we'd be home all day today, and it was forecast that it was going to be 90 degrees today, which I am so excited about. I am a summer girl through and through. Give me all the heat, hot days, sun, and I am just so happy. So it being so hot, I wanted to get my son's little kiddie pool cleaned out and set up for him to be able to enjoy, and I had a goal for us to be out there by 10:30 so then he could play for like an hour before noon when like the hottest sun is out for the day. I didn't want him to be out in that hot of sun, especially since he has been dealing with a little bit of under the weather. He's had a few days of a fever. I don't know. I think it's just a viral thing. There's no other symptoms. His entire daycare had it too. So he is just recovering, and I think the sun, fresh air, and being able to swim a little bit really did help him a lot. So I figured I would just include in here a clip of me getting this all set up in the backyard. This kiddie pool, I believe my husband got from Walmart last year. It has been so great. Perfect size for him to just enjoy and be able to swim and have some fun on nice hot days. Do not mind the overgrown grass. My husband does need to get out here and cut the grass, but we cannot complain. We are so excited at how well and good the grass looks this year. When we bought this house, the entire land was on a dirt. Everything was dirt. The backyard was dirt, the front yard was dirt. My husband had to seed the entire thing. He did a tremendous amount of work, and it definitely paid off. We have lived in this house for 6.5, almost 7 years now, and it is gorgeous. It grows so fast. He's constantly out here having to mow the lawn, and it is really exciting seeing how far that this backyard has come. We spent the last hour outside enjoying the little pool in the sun, and it was so gorgeous. The weather was absolutely beautiful. Our rose bushes is starting to blossom, and we have another bush. I don't even know what kind of flowers they are, but they're these bright pink. The bush has grown so much, like 4 times the size as when we planted it, and the flowers are all bloomed. It's so beautiful. So we are just so excited to be in summer and enjoying this beautiful day. I figured I would just show you what I'm having for lunch. Lunchtime I know can be kind of a struggle, and on these days where we want to just enjoy the time with our kids and the weather and are a little bit busier or doing things that we aren't normally, easy quick lunches are definitely the way to go. So these flatbreads we have been loving. They come in a 4-pack. We've been using them for so many different meal ideas. I'm using just plain hummus. This chicken I cooked up yesterday for dinner, and I'm gonna use the leftovers. I just cooked it in the Montreal chicken seasoning. You can get it at any grocery store. It's the perfect seasoning. You need nothing else, and you can just cook it up right in that. I cut up half of a mini cucumber. They're my favorite, so delicious, crunchy, and I used some cherry tomatoes. Now I'm just putting this all here on this sourdough pita flatbread. I'm just topping it with the hummus, and then I'm gonna put some chicken, cucumbers, and tomatoes, and I just eat it kind of like a pocket sandwich type of thing. It is so fresh, so delicious, light, easy, perfect for hot summer days. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation, some energy, and revitalization for this summer, that you can be excited to spend this time with your kids. Just keep in mind, these times are fleeting, and soon enough, you're gonna want so badly to come back to this time. I know it can be a little draining to be with them every single day if they're home with you, but it is also such a blessing. So keep that in mind, that one day you are definitely gonna wanna be back here. You will miss it. I know for sure I will. So I am doing my best to make the most of it. I hope you leave here feeling like you were just hanging out with a friend. If you have not yet, please subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Happy summer. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful sun and hot weather.